Congratulations, you've made it to the end of the Flipped Classroom workshop. You have attended 5 different sessions. Your first session was about STAMR, which is the underlying principle for all of our technology-based lessons. You've also learned about what it means to have a flipped classroom, what they are, how they can help your students learn. Then you've looked at 3 different programs or technologies to help you flip your classroom: Edmodo, TED Ed Lessons, and screencasting. And then you've also taken a look at the benefits of having a separate website dedicated to all of your flipped classroom lessons for your students to then access when they are at home. The exit ticket for the workshop, this is for us to gather information on what your thoughts are for future attendees, just helpful hints for them to use. On your pink post-it, I want you to write an idea of how to increase or maintain your level of STAMR. So if you think that you're operating at an S or an A level at this point, how can you then increase your level? Or if you are operating at the M or R level, what can you do to maintain? Your blue post-it is a best practice. What have you learned that really works well? What have you learned that really is a benefit for the flipped classrooms? What have you seen in the classroom? What can other people do to follow in positive footsteps? And then finally, your green post-it are these pitfalls. What should be avoided if somebody's going to flip a classroom that they've never done it before? What have you learned? What have you seen that you can then tell somebody else you should really avoid this? Once you've finished your 3 post-its, there are sheets along the back of the room. Please put your post-it on the appropriate sheet. Again, there's one for all the pink post-its, your STAMR ideas. There's one for all the blue post-its for your best practices, and then one finally for your pitfalls or things to avoid. Thanks so much for attending this workshop. I hope you found it useful.